Hello everyone and welcome to another math video. Today we're going to be looking at learning about exponents and powers and bases and then how to evaluate them. A reminder that this is the short version of this lesson, so we're going to go through this pretty quickly. We're just going to cover the main points. If you feel like this is too fast or you want more of an explanation, then I will link a full-length lesson in the description below. So, for this problem here, okay, this is a math problem, and the way you read this, here's the words, okay, 3 to the 4th power, 3 with an exponent of 4, anything along those lines is fine. The big number at the bottom is your base, so the base is 3, and the exponent, the little number in the corner, is 4. Now, when there is a 2 in the corner or a 3 in the corner, there are, you can say 4 to the 2nd power, you can say 5 to the 3rd power, but another way of saying this is 4 squared. And this is 5 cubed. The reason for this is that squares are 2-dimensional and cubes are 3-dimensional. Now, what do they actually mean? We've learned how to say it. How do we actually work with the math here? So 5 to the 2nd power just means 5 times 5. Notice that there are 2 of these. And then you just evaluate. 5 times 5 is 25, final answer. 2 to the 3rd power is 2 times 2 times 2. There are 3 of them. And then you just go from left to right. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down your times 2. This is 8, final answer. 0 to the 5th means 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 times 0. 0 times anything is just 0. 1 to the 2nd power means 1 times 1, and the answer to that is 1. All right, the most common mistake that I see with exponents is people think, oh, 2 to the 3rd power means 2 times 3, and that gives me 6. Incorrect. Okay, do not do this. This is wrong. 2 to the 3rd power means 2 times 2 times 2, and we actually already did this problem earlier, right? And that gives me 8. Please, please, please keep that in mind. And then there are 2 sort of special cases, things you need to look out for. If you have a 0 in the exponent, any number to the 0 power is 1. So 3 to the 0 power, 1. And over here, any number to the 1st power is itself, and by itself I mean the base. So 5 to the 1st power is just 5. Final answer. Okay, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it's time for you to practice what you've learned. Go ahead and try these 6 problems up on the screen. Pause the video, and when you are ready to check your answers, go ahead and unpause and we will take a look at them. Okay, now that you've had a chance to look at these problems, let's check your answers. 3 to the 3rd power is 3 times 3 times 3. That's 9 times 3, so that's 27. 0 to the 3rd power is 0 times 0 times 0. That's just 0. 10 to the 1st power, we said anything to the 1st power is just the base, so it's 10. 1 to the 4th power is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. That's 1. 6 to the 0 power, this is one of those special rules. Anything to the 0 power is just 1. 5 to the 2nd power means 5 times 5, which is 25, final answer. And that is it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.